I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Monday, April 11th. 4 more days before we pay the IRS, right? Okay, gold. Ultimately, I'm going to get to Yamana Gold because I want to show you a really good squeeze. But first, let's just look at the gold picture here. This is in the middle of a trading range. I could make a pretty good argument that this is ultimately going to break out for various reasons, but I don't know for sure. I can lie and tell you that I do, but then I'd probably be on TV more than I am. But the stock, here's resistance right about 1,200 to 12.10 an ounce, something like that. But the stock is up close to, and when I say stock, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about an ounce of gold. This is right up against resistance here, and look how high up above the 200-day moving average it's extended. It's about as extended upward as this was downward. And so when you see these extensions, they virtually always lead to some type of sideways consolidation. So, and we saw that here. And so we're still seeing this consolidation. I think it could go for a while, but ultimately I think the move can be up. Look at Yamana Gold. Now, we were on this last week, and I'm pretty sure, but I think it was on Thursday, one of our members in the forum said, hey, what's up with this? It looks like it's breaking out. And sure enough, it did. And so I think some of you guys in the forum probably have made some pretty good money on this. I would just say that you want to keep your stops in place. Don't expect this just to keep going. Oh, it must be a big, massive short squeeze. Short interest is 1.23. It takes till less than noon on the second day of short covering to cover this stock. So it's not a short squeeze. It's just a demand on these miners due to higher gold prices, and it's not just limited to Yamana, though that's a pretty nice squeeze. Barrick Gold is up. That's working. Newmont Mining, big squeeze as well. See, these are all really good. These are all really good, solid squeezes. The best ones, it's nice when they're right near the 200-day moving average, but we don't get that for gold because gold has already been on the move. These are just continuation patterns. Goldcorp is one that looks pretty much like Yamana Gold. Same configuration. So really either one of these work, and huge volume. So you don't have any issues there. And then even Rand Gold here is breaking out as well. So there's a lot of reasons to be bullish on gold. The only question is, how do you actually get into it? And like with Yamana Gold, frankly, if you're getting in now, you're chasing. And I'm not saying that you can't chase. I'm just saying if you're getting in now, you're chasing. So the stock gapped up to, let's see, it opened at 378. The low was 375. If you want to chase this stock, your risk is not that it falls back down into the low threes. Your risk is that it falls back down to start to fill this gap. And so if you are chasing this stock, you keep your stop just a little bit below 375, and that way you've got less than a 10% risk on this stock. So watch to see how gold trades, and my bet is if it keeps moving higher, Yamana Gold is going to work out really well. By the way, for you fast movers, triple your fun here. Here's a shorten ETF. When gold is bad, this is good. When gold is good, this is bad, down almost 20% today. This is a day trading stock. Obviously, you'd be shorting this during the day. And then the opposite is Nugget. The reason this looks a lot like some of the gold stocks, it's just that this is up 18%. So I just wanted to give you a lot of different gold stocks to look at. But my main focus here was Yamana Gold, and congratulations to you members who were on this last week. Good shooting, Tex. That's the way we do it. By the way, if you haven't tried a subscription to Stock Market Mentor, I hope you give it a try. There's money to be made, and the first 30 days are on me.